Meet the OUKITEL WP35, the thinnest 11,000 mAh 5G rugged phone that redefines power, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or in the heart of the city, this smartphone has you covered. Design and durability. Show the OUKITEL WP35 slim profile, rotating to highlight the rugged, military-grade design. The OUKITEL WP35 stands out with a slim, ergonomic design at just 14.9 millimeters thick, packing a massive 11,000 mAh battery. Designed for toughness, it's built to survive harsh drops and extreme conditions with military-grade durability, while still looking sleek and modern. With IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810G certification, this phone is dustproof, waterproof, and shockproof. No matter what you throw at it, the WP35 will keep up. Display. The WP35's 6.6-inch 2.4K display delivers stunning visuals, with a resolution of 2408 by 1080 for sharp, clear images. Whether you're watching videos or gaming, the screen brings an immersive experience to life, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for enhanced durability. Performance. Inside, the WP35 is powered by the 5G-enabled MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor. Whether you're gaming, browsing, or multitasking, this chip ensures top-tier performance with enhanced power efficiency, making sure you stay connected and productive on the go. Battery life. With a 11,000 mAh battery, the WP35 gives you days of power on a single charge. Whether you're on a long trip or just don't want to worry about recharging, this phone has your back. Featuring 18W fast charging and ATL battery cells, you can recharge quickly and enjoy a battery lifespan of up to 4 years. Camera. Capture your best moments with the 64MP main camera, offering professional-grade image quality in any setting. Plus, the 8MP night vision camera lets you capture clear images, even in pitch-dark environments. And for those perfect selfies, the 32MP front camera has you covered. Extra features with features like NFC for Google Pay, facial recognition for quick unlocking, and dual SIM capability. The WP35 is built for convenience. Plus, with Google Play and OTG support, the phone offers everything you need for a seamless life experience. Storage and memory unleash your potential with 24 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. More than enough space for all your apps, media, and work files. And if you need more, the dedicated TF card slot allows you to expand up to 2 terabytes. Ready to upgrade to the thinnest 11,000 mAh 5G rugged phone? The OUKITEL WP35 is the perfect companion for anyone looking for power, durability, and top-notch performance. Check the link below to learn more and get yours today. OUKITEL WP35, so thin, so powerful. Available now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews and updates.